What's up, everybody? Top Dollar Mike and NJ Slot Guy at the Golden Nugget Atlantic City in the Hollywood Slot Room. We're at Old Faithful Triple Double Diamond. We got 800 in here. We haven't won nothing yet. Give this a shot before we go to dinner. See if we can make it happen. Let's go.
Spins win.
Spins win.
Oh, for two so far. Here it is. The start.
First spin would have been tremendous, right?
What's going on?
Who's that?
Take your time. What is this? Release from jail? Oh, release from hospital.
Release from hospital. He said Bill Clinton released from jail, released from hospital. I don't know. I didn't see what happened. You know, what we really need to see is a line hit.
Yeah, right. Did we get anything?
No, we haven't got nothing.
750 on pinball.
I mean, we got the bonuses on, what do you call it, for nothing, for next to nothing. All right, triple bar 7. That's got to be something, right?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Let's
there
go.
It is, baby. $2,400. We'll be right back after this hand pay. We are back, baby. All right, guys, we're back after that hand pay, $2,400. And of course, in our DGen style, we're going to run it through the garden and see if we can't make it happen again because it's happened many a time. So let's keep it going. Let's make it happen.
Let's win.
Let's win.
Here it is.
What a shit if they hit back to back with that.
Any bars are good.
Yeah, any bars are a win. So we'll run this through the garden, or if we get it back up to 800, we'll cash out 800.
Yeah,
come on.
Oh man, that was quick.
Nah, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Old school slots would have cash out.
Yeah,
shut up to him. Marky J's probably screaming at us right now for not doing it. But if you don't win, if you don't play, you can't win.
I mean,
we'll call it at 600 and put the 600 in something else. How's that sound? Give it a couple of, a few backup spins.
oh shit. Look at that guy.
Two more here. All right, guys, last one. Last one. All right, that's going to do it from Old Faithful Triple Double Diamond. 800 in, $2,400 hand pay. We're cashing out for $600. $2,200 profit. Thank you guys for watching. We will have more videos for you soon. What's up, everybody? Top Dollar Mike and NJ Slot Guy from the Golden Nugget Atlantic City High Limit Slot Room. We're at $5 double bonus. Some more poker bids for you guys. You asked for them, you got them. 25 a wrap. Let's make it happen. So
let's win.
Now you got to say, instead of let's spin, let's win. We're not spinning. How about let's
draw?
Let's play to pay.
Let's play to pay.
Play to pay. They crushed me because I hit that button, the max bet button.
They don't like that.
No, because it goes, and they're like, oh, that sounds annoying. Yeah.
I'm thinking it's like a slot machine. The ambiance, you need that.
Yeah, I love it. Because when you hit the
man, how you doing?
Oh, fresh.
My man, what's going on?
No way.
I'm glad I got to see you. I came back down before 11 last night, but you must have switched with somebody else. They put some other clown here. I was like, fuck this guy. I said, where's my man at?
How you doing today, man?
Average. A little bit.
All right, we did these 4 aces over here.
Okay.
You too, man.
All right, come on. 5 of diamonds. 5 of diamonds. Give it to me one time.
Like, that could have been a straight flush.
That's, yeah, it should have been a straight flush there. Come on, 2, 2 and a hard 4. Give me 2 more than 2s.
Bump, and then a break.
Yeah.
Dragon catch.
Dragon
No big
catch,
deal.
again.
No big deal. No big deal. Not gonna get
That's,
mad.
you know, we put all that money in
Not gonna
there.
get mad.
Who's this guy? Look at this.
I love this. I love the Simpsons, Mike, but it's Sunday night. We got to put football.
I know.
I love this. I'm one of the biggest Simpsons fans of all time. I will go one-on-one with anybody in Simpsons trivia. No joke. I almost just killed myself.
Yeah, just let yourself on fire. Come on, 2 more kings. Why not?
Come on.
2 pair.
Yeah, same. It's not good notices.
All right, not too much happening here yet. Not too much happening at all here. Come on, 2 9s, 2 pair. All right, come on, 2 more aces. Drop the hammer on us. I don't think so. It might be. I don't know.
Oh, come on.
Come on,
Mike.
one more, baby.
Come on, dude. Come on, dude.
Come on, one
Get it,
more.
baby. Get it. Yeah, 8, 10 of diamonds. Where was that for the straight flush before?
Yeah, right.
Either one of those would have came out just for the regular flush. I'm starting to get this. I'm starting to get this. I am. I'm starting to get this a little bit.
No, you insult them a little bit. Give me 2 more aces and make up for it.
2 deuces in here.
Come on, 2 more aces, make up for it. That.
Another deuce. Hey, open it. Here he is.
Let's try and catch again.
It is official.
Come on, 4 kings. Every time we get dealt a pair, I'm going to say, come on, give me 2 more. Give me 2 more 5s. 10 cents an hour, right? $5 spends? Yeah.
Unbelievable. Play $1 $4,000.
All right, we
Give me
win
the
nothing.
bonus.
All right, come on here. Had enough of this. 2, 2 and a hard 4. 2 more. No, not 2 pair. Like 7, 8, 9, 10 comes
Yeah,
out.
it's all right.
All right, come on, give us one more 7. One more 7. One more 7.
Bang it.
Of course not. It's all right. Come on, hook. 2 hooks. 2 pair.
That
That's
right?
2 for,
That
that's
one,
for
what
2.
you're talking about, right?
It gives us 2 pair.
That's-
Yeah,
that's-
100%. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, that's a tough one. Man.
Yeah, you got to keep the money.
Only if there's 4.
If it was,
Go
yeah,
for
oh
it?
yeah, if it's 4,
okay.
definitely. If it was ace, king,
It's all right.
queen.
See the next 2 right now. Yeah, it's a, oh,
Yeah.
They would give you the king of hearts. What a.
They would give you that 1 just to piss you
Yeah,
off.
of course. Obviously. Deuces.
Come on.
Big ball bang. 10, 3, 4 comes out, man.
The right play is this, but I'm
2.
gonna hold the.
Follow me here. These 2, or with 2 here.
Ready?
What's in it?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
see. I'm all screwed up down there. Oh, man.
Are they?
Yeah, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Look at this thing. Ten, that's it.
10 and that's it. All right.
Let's hear from me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. 10 and that's it.
But again, I'll do the uphill.
All right. Yeah. Let me know. All right. Come on, queens. Come on. Do 1 more king. 1 more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 straight. Come on, give it to me. Waiting for one time to get dealt to 4 aces. Hey, there's another straight. We're getting back up there. Look at this. Another one. Getting back up there. Rowboat. Yep. Two pair. All right, come on. Flusher. There we go. Come on, give me one more, man. Two and a hard four. Come on. Look at this. That's the first dump hand I had the whole game. I think. Come on, Divine 9. Yeah, what a joke, 9. Two pair. Come on, hook. Yeah, the Lone King. 3/7 surrounded. Two pair. Come on, give me the rowboat. No boat for us. Come on, Queens. It deals these 2, 3, 4s and aces so much, not even funny. Three 9s. Can we get a full house? The ace in there. There it is, baby. There it is. $2,000. And we will be right back after this hand pay, ladies and gentlemen. Video, everybody's saying, what are the roads looking like? Look at that. You can see the road over there.
Yeah, it's good. We're fine.
Yeah, and I got a good pilot over here, so I'm good either way.
Welcome to Pussy Airways.
Airways. Oh, we got a
little snow over here.
We got snow over here. We got a drift.
Oh my God, we're stuck.
God.
We're stuck. Where do I go? Straight,
Right, yeah.
to the fucking mountain.
Just gotta find a
Hold on, let
pathway.
me just plow it myself. Hold on.
Oh, here we go. Look, it's made for us. Look at this. They made a pathway straight to the Borgata.
Yeah, where there's actually money to be won. There's the cops. Sir, you ran 8 lights coming here.
We got company. We got the fuzz. We're chasing them down. He's probably gonna say, "What the fuck are you guys doing on the road?" Wow, they're not fooling around. Like, that's not a plow. That's a goddamn.
Well, this is fucking Borgata, okay? This isn't the fucking Bally's or Golden Nugget, okay? We got money to be made over here. Look at this.
Borgata, keep right. I don't think we're gonna be taking that. All right, guys, we are back after that hand pay. $2,000. We got $625 left, and you know the rules here. We're gonna run it through the garden because We can still hit a regular 4 of a kind. We can hit the ace. We can hit this again with the kickers. The royal. Who knows? We're gonna keep it going. Let's make it happen again. Come on. Would have been crazy if we got the 4 9s, you know, back to back like that. Aces. Now, see, 2 pair, you think, why don't you hold it for the full house? But you only hold the aces when you're dealt 2 pair on double bonus, triple bonus. In triple double bonus, or whatever the hell it's called, you break up a full house. I'll break it up on this one, and that might be the move, but I don't know. But I usually always do. Come on, ace. Come on, boat. I don't remember if we got one yet or not. I don't think we did, because we had, you know, for a while there we weren't, but I don't know if it changed. I don't remember. That's how short my attention span is, my memory. Was it on a take now? That's not how these machines work here. Look at this. Either way, it wouldn't matter. Two pair. That would have been the full house, but you got to take the shot for the aces. You have to. Got a frush. We got a frush. When I say frush, not, you know, FR. If you don't know what movie that's referenced from, you got to look that up. It's a great, great, great movie from the 80s. One of the best movies from the 80s. I got 4 kings. It's good, no? No, you got too many kings. Same movie. All right, come on. Do it. Two pair. Come on, boat. Another one of those hands makes you think. I see you. I think 10 king might have been the right hold on that one. Like 10 jack, no, because the 9 penalizes that. I think, I don't know. What do I know? 7, 8, 9. All right, we're getting down to the wire here. Two pair. I'm pretty sure we have not got a full house yet. And I'm pretty sure we're not going to get one before the session's done. Would like to see it surprise me with a random 4 of a kind here before we get out. Right now, 2 more 7s pop up. There's one of them. Look at this. 2 pair. That's right, we missed the full house because we had the 2 pair with the aces. All right, last one here. Full house on the last one. That'd have been crazy, right? Ace to save it. Yeah, buddy. He's hanging on. He's hanging on. Yeah, he was hanging on. All right, guys, that's gonna do it from the old double bonus, and we doubled up. We put 1,000 in, $2,000 hand pay. So that'll do it for that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll have more videos for you soon. So I wasn't recording.